I guess I am stubborn but not on that level. Parang si Stacy kasi extreme eh. Parang yung mga nagagawa niya, she's a bit on the, no not a bit, she's really on the extreme side. So, ako naman hindi naman po ako ganun ka-stubborn. But I guess what I could relate, kahit naman kay Stacy, ano siya, thinker. Thinker in a way na yun nga, nagkukumpone, marunong magkalikot ng mga bagay-bagay. And I guess she's really, uh, in a sense, ako rin gagawin ko din lahat para sa pamilya ko. But not up to that extent. I also love na si Stacy, like, ano siya eh, sorry for the word, but no BS siya. So that's also the kind of person that I am. She's as in dead ma siya, like wala siyang pakialam sa sarili niya, kahit magmukha siyang madungis or anything. At some point, I'm also like that. I'm very simple. Like ngayon lang, I'm very different because pag work mode iba talaga. Pero on a normal day, kasi as in sobrang relax lang ako. She's very boyish then, just the same as me. And I guess her love for just being that, I guess not necessarily a daddy's girl, but not family person, but how she was brought up kasi, yung environment kasi niya, yung dad niya like handles guns, he's a mechanic. So I guess medyo similar yung, wala namang guns nung lumaki ako. Cars lang. So ano ba, hindi brusco, I don't know the word, pero very cowboy. So, yun yung mga nakarelate ako kay Stacy.